Stay sun protected. Protect your skin from the harmful rays of the sun with the use of Aveeno Smart Essentials Daily Nourishing Moisturizer. This formula, with SPF 30, reduces the harsh effects of sun rays, free radicals, environmental toxins and hectic lifestyle. Smoothens and softens skin. Protects against sunburn. Mild on skin. Aveeno Smart Essentials Daily Nourishing Moisturizer is formulated to fight against UV/UVB rays and protect against damages that might occur to your skin due to the sun. Its conditioning emollients protect and replenish your skin just for you, sensitive and sunburnt skin. A closer look, this moisturizer contains vitamins A, C and E and antioxidant Southernwood extract that helps make your skin look glossy and lively even after exposure to the sun. You won't find harmful ingredients. Get started. Generously apply the formula over your face and neck before stepping out in the sun. 2 5-ounce bottle of SPF moisturizer nourishes and protects skin to leave it soft, smooth and healthy looking for stressed skin. Decreases the risk of skin cancer and early skin aging caused by the sun. Antioxidant Southernwood extract with vitamins A, C, and E. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.